Want to find out the winner of the IOKUKI 2.4 GHz RC boat from last week's Review to You video? Keep watching and we'll let you know. Hi, my name's Gary. And this is my buddy Matt. We're just a bunch of gadget nerds who are lucky enough to be invited by Amazon to participate in the very exclusive Vine Voices program. 3 times a week, we review all these cool products and give them away for free. To all of our subscribers that get involved. There's Men's Mondays, Wednesday for Women, and Friday Fun Day for the kids and the whole family. Every product we review is up for grabs. To be in the running, you have to be subscribed to the channel, have liked the video, and typed in the comments section of that video the code word we mentioned throughout the video. But for now, let's announce a winner. Last week for Friday Fun Day, we reviewed the IOKUKI 2.4 GHz RC boat and gave it a solid 4 out of 5 stars. So which lucky subscriber gets to take it home? And the winner of the IOKUKI 2.4 GHz RC boat is Jane Jensen and her grandson. Congratulations, Jane. We're going to get this packaged up and sent out to you ASAP. If you want the chance to be a winner like Jane Jensen, you can start by subscribing to Review to You and turning on post notifications so you can be one of the first to enter our product review giveaways. We do them 3 times every week. Make sure to check out our other review videos, and I'll see you guys on the next one.